Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video on this 2018 Ford F-150. We put a 6-inch lift on it, some 20 by 12 wheels with a negative 44 millimeter offset, and some 35 by 1250 R20 RT tires. It is a hybrid tire. What you want to know is, what can I fit? What do I need to cut? Everything like that. So starting from the front, you do not have to cut your bumper. However, you will need to trim your valence. The other important thing to cut is the crash bar. A lot of people like to take the entire crash bar out. However, if you think of the crash bar on your F-150 as 4 different parts, you have your 2 front, left and right, and then your rear, inner and outer. What we like to do is we like to take the rear outer portion, we like to cut that off. So you still have 3/4 of your crash bar. Whether it will actually help in a crash or not, we don't know. We cannot say it will help you. However, we do know there is more metal. The crash bar is still there. So you'll need to trim the front, rear, outer piece of your crash bars on both sides. Then in terms of your rear fender, you'll need to trim your fender flare just a little bit, and then trim the plastic molding that comes at the bottom of your fender and your inner fender, and then you'll need to trim your inner fender just a little bit. So yes, there is some metal trimming to fit a 20 by 12 with a 35 on a 6-inch lift. However, there's not a lot, and the metal trimming that it is has to deal with the crash bar, so it's not that scary at the end of the day. With that being said, if you want to run this setup but not trim anything, probably go with a 33-inch or a 34-inch tire. I love how the 35s look, and the trimming's not that bad. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the lift, the running boards, fender flares, anything like that, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. And finally, if you're looking at this truck and you're saying, Michael, I love this truck, I love that it's the new body style F-150. I have the 2017, but it's not the new body style. I wish I could just buy this truck already lifted, already done, and be driving it tomorrow. I don't want to have to go to the dealer, negotiate on the price, bring it to you, get you to lift it. Luckily for you, if you go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, we will have all of the vehicles that are currently lifted, built, ready to sell on dealers' lots that we have already built for dealers. The idea is you find this perfect truck, you call them up, you say, hey, I'm on my way, I got my money, and then you go pick up the truck today and you drive away with it. So again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and have a great day.